and from this is principal plane, and the angle between reference plane to principal plane, this is called location of principal, location of theta p1 to theta p1. And another point is vital point. This is vital point. Next, another point. Important points. Angle of any two plane on more circle is double of that the actual angle of state of state. Actual angle of state of stress. Actual angle of stress. This is 2 theta, and theta 1 p equal to major location of major principal, location of major principal stress, and theta p2 equal to location of minor principal stress, ps, and this is 2 theta p2. This is location of minor principal stress. Here this point is very important. Angle of any two plane on mode circle is double of that of actual angle of state of stress. And calculate now. And this is tau x, maximum shear stress. Maximum shear stress equal to radius of mode circle. The perpendicular distance from center of mode circle to circumference of mode circle. This distance is called and this is plane of, this is suppose hi represents plane of shear stress, plane of maximum shear stress, plane of maximum shear stress. And now hi, this is hi, maximum shear stress. Now look, now calculate the location of maximum shear stress. And this is and location of major principal stress equal denoted theta p1. For Mohr circle 2 theta p1. Clockwise direction from plane A or plane A, and location of minor principal stress equal 2 theta p2. Clockwise direction from plane B, and location of maximum shear stress 2 phi anticlockwise from plane A. This is 2 phi. This is location of, and now calculate the center of Mohr circle. This is sigma 2. This is sigma 1. And so the diameter of Mohr circle, diameter of Mohr circle, MC, diameter of Mohr circle, sigma 1 minus sigma 2. This is sigma 1, this is sigma 2. This is diameter of Mohr circle. So radius of Mohr circle sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by r, that is tau max. CH, that is maximum, or CI, that is maximum shear stress. This is very important question for any exam purpose. They ask maximum radius of Mohr circle or maximum stress, sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2. Understand? Now calculates maximum shear stress. Now center, this is O point, this is O point. OC distance, OC center OC equal to OG minus OG plus GC. OG we know sigma 2 plus GC means radius of Mohr circle. GC radius sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2. Sigma 1 plus sigma 2 divided by 3. So C points, sigma 1 plus sigma 2 by 2 comma 0. Now center of Mohr circle, this is very important. Center of Mohr circle, sigma 1 plus sigma 2 divided by 2 comma 0. This is for Mohr circle. Understand?